Introducing the new Go Daikin app, allowing you to remotely and smartly control your Daikin air conditioner from anywhere at any time. It is now compatible with a wide range of Daikin air conditioning units, which includes wall-mounted units and even cassette units. Today, we're going to guide you on how to easily install the Wi-Fi adapter for your Daikin Smart Control Air Conditioner. Firstly, prepare these items to ensure a smooth installation process. The accessories included inside the box of the adapter would look like this. Before starting, as a safety measure, make sure the aircon is switched off and turn off the power supply of the unit. Let's start with wall-mounted units. Open the front panel of the indoor unit and remove the mounting screws of the front cover. Unscrew the service cover. Then, simply just connect the Y connector of the Wi-Fi adapter to the CNNS port on the main PCB. A special compartment for the adapter is located above the power supply terminal. Apply double-sided tape on the back of the Wi-Fi adapter and place it in the compartment horizontally with Daikin logo facing upwards. Finish up by reassembling the indoor unit to its original state. For the 2 extra QR code stickers, it is recommended to paste it on the warranty card of the unit and on the side of the unit, or keep it in a location you will remember. To start off, search and download the Go Daikin app on your mobile device. Launch the app and agree to the terms of use, which will lead you to the login page. Click Sign Up and enter your details. A 6-digit verification code will be sent to your signed-up email. Enter the code you received and click Confirm. Once verified, log into your account. A No Units Found page will firstly appear. To add a new unit, click Add or the QR code scanner icon to scan the QR code on the sticker provided inside the Wi-Fi adapter box. Fill in your home Wi-Fi name and enter the Wi-Fi password on the page. Make sure to select the 2.4 GHz of your home Wi-Fi connection. Once connected to your home Wi-Fi, name your aircon unit name and a specific unit group of your choosing before selecting unit icon. With just these few simple steps, you're done! You can now enjoy using the Go Daikin app to control your air conditioner from anywhere, anytime. If you would like to share the control access of the aircon units with your family, here's what you need to do. Firstly, choose the aircon unit you would like to share and click on the settings icon on the top right corner. Select Users. Then, on the bottom left, click on the Share icon. A QR code will be produced and valid for 30 minutes. Using a different device and a different account, scan the QR code to be granted access in controlling the aircon unit. Take note, the host of the aircon unit can remove the guest user at any time they desire. There you have it. Now your whole family can enjoy the simplicity and convenience of controlling your home Daikin air conditioner right at your fingertips with the Go Daikin app.